Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Claude AI profile name and a few settings. So okay, what you need to do first is be logged in into your Claude AI. Now what you're going to do is click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner, then head over to the settings just like that, and then under the account tab, so the second one here, you can find here um, so what we need to do is just find the full name. It is now in the general tab right here. Sorry for my mistake. We can change that right here. So I will change it into that, and I will also copy it right here, just like that. What we can also change here is basically we can change appearance. So it can be uh, light mode, dark mode, or the system mode. We can also change the chat font. So let's say this one, voice. We can also change voice. Um, we can also enable here some notification and so on. And yeah, um, then under the account we have some info. And yeah, this is basically what we can change. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.